Hi, I'm Colin. I'm a solutions architect at Bitdrift, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Bitdrift CLI with your agent of choice to answer questions about your app. Let's get started. Why is my conversion rate dropping? You've probably been asked a similar question, and you have to scramble to find out what's going on. You check your analytics dashboard. It shows a drop, but you still don't know the cause. You dig into your logs, sampled, incomplete, 2 weeks stale by the time a fix ships. You file a ticket, assign an engineer, and they spend a few hours clicking through logs and maybe even sessions one by one. Here you can see how Bitdrift empowers agentic investigations that are fast and painless. Ask a question into your CLI and let your agent do the rest, working with Bitdrift capture behind the scenes. Within a couple of minutes, I can answer the question. 33% of users are dropping out of the payment step. This tells me that the payment step has too much friction. Maybe I should integrate Apple Pay or Google Pay to make it seamless. Or maybe my prices are too high. I have a couple hypotheses to test based on real data from my entire fleet of mobile devices. Mobile teams are always the last to know why users aren't converting. That's the problem Bitdrift was built to solve. Bitdrift Capture stores telemetry on device in a local ring buffer. That means every session is unsampled, and it lets you pull exactly what you need without a release cycle. And with BD Skills, your AI coding agent has live access to that data, so you can ask questions about your app in plain English and get real answers.